July 6th, 2017. Back at it again. And I want to say I love this market. This market, it's in panic mode. There's a lot of people just selling, breaking a lot of supports, people taking profit, and I love it. So it's a good time to take advantage. But let's keep this video short. ARRY, I ended up going short on this one right at the open. And let me show you guys something that I like to do, especially right at the open. Um, and I send this over to my boy Jeff and also to Simon. And I make my watch list. Today I forgot my original form that I have, but I created this watch list. Yes, and I wrote with my feet. But I write my stocks, and based on support, resistance, and areas where that the stock doesn't like the certain numbers or so, I write my plan pre-market. So DBD, I said it's either gonna pop to 22.36 to $23, and then look for a short. If not, look for a short if it breaks once it breaks 21.50, which was a strong support area. Um, but anyways, ARY already has set it up to go short at the open, and I even wrote it here. ARY, look for failed open, risk to 925, right at the open. So I ended up going short. I think it was the second candle when I went short, and this one was around 891. I didn't get the best entry, but I was playing this from a bigger picture. Same thing as I mentioned yesterday with the CENX. This one with the 2 hour RSI, it gives you the short opportunity. So we played ARY yesterday, and it did the same thing again today, and it will do the same thing tomorrow. So I'm gonna play it again tomorrow. So that's ARY and CENX. The other one that I played, same thing, 2 hour. Actually, this one works a little bit better on the 4 hour. It's giving you the red arrow now on the 4 hour, which is the RSI just crossing below the 65 area. So I went in short right at the open as well. Um, the only thing this one that I recognize is that it was holding the $16 mark. My entry was here at 16.21. I only got about 20 cents, 17 cents out of it, but I just recognized that this one was holding 16. Time and sells, as you can see here, I have it open, and I could just see a bunch of buyers coming in. I just decided to get out the way, take my small profit, and I'm glad I did because it ended up popping again, 16.16. Kara misplayed it a bit. I ended up going short at 15.24. It was holding here, the $15 area a couple times, once, two, three, four times. I should have gotten out at 15. I was trying to give it some space, but as you can see, it just started going against me. I ended up pretty much breaking even with Kara. I was up. Should just take my profits like I did with the CNX. Um, Costco, I ended up going with the bear flag. This one, actually, I was long bias. Well, I guess I was confused. I even wrote it on my notes. A lot of resistance will look for direction at the open. So I was still not clear on which direction it was going to go, but the dirty dimes were telling me to short at the open. I didn't short it at the open. I ended up getting it right at the VWAP. When it came and retested 160, I got it from 160 down to 159. I left some money on the table, which is fine. I mean, I got my dollar, so I got Costco. CC, I didn't play. I don't know why I have it here. Um, which other one did I play? DBD. I actually played this one as well. I ended up going short right when it came and tested the 22, just like based on my notes. Um, because this is a support, I mean, resistance now. It was support yesterday, now it's resistance. Came and retested 22. I ended up getting out too early. I think I got out at $21. So I got about $1 off of it. I should have left some open, but that's something I need to work on. A couple of things I need to work on. And then, so I was up with all these stocks, so I was very comfortable up. But then I decided to overtrade and give some money back. And it all started because RH, I actually saw it when it was right here at 68.31. And this is something I need to work on too, because one stock influences a bunch of other stocks, or my emotions, I guess you could say. Because I went in at 60, I saw it at 68.38. No, it was yeah, it was before that. It was at 69 because this candle gave you $1. So I saw it at 69, and it gave you this big red candle. I was like, no, you know what? I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna overtrade. Then I see it drops another, $2 pretty much. Um, so by that point, I was like, man, I need to find another opportunity like that. I ended up going with the piece. Which one is it? Is it? Let me pull it up. PSMT. That's right. I ended up going short and chasing this one a little bit, and all because RH influenced me. I missed RH, so I kind of got that FOMO. I was like, oh, RH, PSMT is gonna do the same thing. So I took it out with this one, and I got a bad entry, 80.15. Then I noticed the volume was very low. I ended up taking my small loss, so I took a small loss on that one. Took a small loss on Kara. Then I also went on another one that I took a small loss. Let me see which one was it. O'Reilly, that's right, O'Reilly. I took a small loss on this one too. This one was playing. I was chasing as well, again because RH just kind of gave me that FOMO, and I saw this big red candle. I had wrote that 182, it was gonna pop to 182, and then I saw the dirty dimes crossing right at the VWAP, and then this big wick, it got me. So I ended up going in at 178.95. But then I saw it started to chop around again. I was like, I'm not gonna get stuck with this one. I took another small loss here. All in all, because of my FOMO, I ended up giving back $60 back to the market. Again, things that I need to work on. Next time, I definitely need to just set be more disciplined and say when I'm done, I'm done. Because at this time, I ended up giving $60 back. All started because of RH. I saw that I missed it. It would have been a nice win there, but all in all, I mean, I'm green for the day, which is good. And just like my brother Billy, I need to see everything in a positive way. And so I have a green day, no red day so far um, since yesterday. But other than that, let's see what happens later on. I am done for the day. Definitely, I am done for the day. I have other shit to do. So best of luck to everybody else.